Hello, Giovanna Tucker here, and welcome to 100 Days of Today is going to be awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck, for 100 days in a row? Every day I'll be posting a video for 100 days to do just that. See you inside. And remember, today's going to be awesome. If you work at a desk or at a computer for your 9-to-5 job, and you find as the day goes on your mood goes down, that is because when we look down, we actually access our unhappy and our sad memories. So by looking down all the time, we start accessing these sad memories. So what we need to do is we need to spend as much time as we can making sure we look up, and that's how we access our happy memories. So what you should do is take breaks throughout the day to make sure you look up. You should place things just above your eye line and pictures to make sure that you look up and look at like nice happy things. When you go, you should go outside at lunchtime and take a moment to look up in the sky and see what's going on. And on your journey into work, you should make sure that you're just having a look up every now and again, up to the sky, out the window of the car or the train, and just access these happy memories. It's also very good to go out at lunchtime anyway and go outside and get some natural sunlight, even if it's cloudy, just get some natural light. It's good for you too.